Welcome to National Water Mission's campaign Catch the Rain with the tagline Catch the Rain where it falls, when it falls. This campaign of National Water Mission is to nudge the stakeholders and states to prepare appropriate rainwater harvesting structures with people's active participation to catch the rain. The rainwater harvesting structures should be appropriate to the climatic conditions and also to the soil substrata in the area. The idea is to ensure that all the rooftops of the buildings of government institutions, private institutions and residences, apartments, all should have rainwater harvesting structures to collect the rainwater falling on the roofs of their buildings. We also request all people to make rainwater harvesting structures in their compounds to catch the rainwater falling in their compound so that not a single drop of water falls out of their compound. This has multiple advantages. If we collect the rainwater in your compound, it will increase your water table there, it will improve your soil moisture, and this can lead to better vegetation in the form of grass and other things exact there. The water which is now falling into your compound is many times rushing out to the roads because of the pavement done in our compounds. This water adds to the water flowing into the roads and is creating urban flooding in many areas. It is also damaging the roads. So if you can catch the rain at where it falls and store it there, impound it there in our compound itself, it serves multiple purposes. It improves your water table, it improves your vegetation in your area, it will prevent urban flooding, and it also prevent damages to the roads. India has very good rainfall, about 1190 millimeter rainfall average every year. That is sufficient water for taking care of our needs. But there are spatial and temporal variation. Still, this water is sufficient to cater to our needs, provided we conserve and save the water. In India, we save only 8% of the water which is available, which is much low compared to any other countries. If we can save more water, and rainwater is the major source of water in India, we will be able to cater to our demands for drinking water purposes, for industrial purposes and even agriculture. 80 to 89% of water usage in India is in agriculture sector. The water usage efficiency in agriculture sector is much less, about 38%. So there is a scope for and the need for increasing the water usage efficiency in the agriculture sector. That is demand side management. But we also have to look at the supply side, that is the water availability. As a part of the supply side management, we say that we should ensure that the rain which falls in the country in the 3 or 4 month period of the monsoon period, we'll have to impound it, store it and use it for the rest of the year. Actually, we have to use for 360 days the water which is falling in about 60-70 days in a year. That is where the concept of catch the rain is relevant. So I request all people's participation in Catch the Rain campaign of National Water Mission. Let us catch the rain where it falls,